Hey, this is Carly with Kanileʻa Ukulele. Over here I have a D-1 Baritone Pro. So with the Pro series, this one is going to have the side sound port, the true reduction on the inside, and as well as that black tusk nut and saddle. And since this is a baritone, of course, kind of no low G with this one. But yeah, this one is our D1 model, so new for 2025. And this piece of coil is absolutely stunning. It almost has kind of like two different tones, since the sapwood is so large and prominent on this one. Kind of creates this interesting stripe effect. And yeah, I'm super excited to hear how this one sounds. With all the pro features, this ukulele is going to sound amazing. So let's take a listen.